My name is Michelle Castana. I'm from Kurtori. My position is midfielder and I pick for Panchim Dolphin.
My name is Ashrat Pereira. I'm from Parra, Mapsa, and I'm a goalkeeper. And I'm picked by Goa Vella Saints.
Very excited for this league. For training, our coaches are very good. Like the ground and all, it's good, and we are having practices like every Sunday and all. So this league, it is a very good opportunity for girls, especially like to prove themselves. And we are really very excited to play this league. That's it.
We wanted this league to happen because after national we are not even playing anything. So we are excited.
How do you plan to, fight back for your place in the Indian national team?
Only thing I have to work hard. Again, I have to play for state team and then I can get a squad.
So, are you going to give your full attention to football, or are you ever going to take a break again in future for exams?
No. Now exams got over. Now it's time to focus. Yes, it will be a boost for also for upcoming players to become a good players and to get select in the Indian team.